Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. Today we'll be looking at how to add set items. Alright, we're going to be looking at specifically the add method and the update method. Each method have its own properties and ways that it deals with set items. Alright. Now first, let's look at adding item using the add method. I have a set over here, vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Now, I want to add the value mint into this set. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to write the name, dot, add, and then I put in mint as the argument for the add method. Now, if I print this out, what I'm going to have is vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and mint. Perhaps not in that order because sets are unordered, but in total, that's what you're going to get. Next up, adding sets. We're joining the two sets together. Once again, I have my good old set with vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. And I have another set made out of apple, lemon, and mango. You can certainly use the update method, the same syntax that you would do with the add method, which is the name, the set that you want to append another set to, dot update, and then fill in the set that you want to add in as the argument to the update method. Now, if I print this out, what do you think will happen? Well, we would have an aggregate of all of the values that we see here. However, I cannot guarantee the order because once again, sets are unordered. Therefore, anything that you print out in terms of, the values that you print out is going to be randomized, okay? Last but not least, we're looking at adding iterable. What I mean by iterable is other data type that are not sets. I have a list of some Boolean values, true and false. Now I want to add this to the set, okay? I can certainly do that by the same method with joining different sets over here with the update method. And I would have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, true and false, not in that order because sets are unordered for the third time. But when you return the type of the set, this little set over here, after you run this statement, it would be a set. It would not be a list. All right. Now let's create our set. I'm gonna go with greeting, and I'm gonna make it hi, hey, hello, and what's up. Okay, let's go down here and let's add a value into greetings. I'm gonna go with greetings dot add, and the value would be world. And then I'm gonna print greetings out. All right. Now let's see if you can add another value within the print statement. Greetings dot add. Let's make this random. How are you? Okay. Now let's go down here and let's have another set, which is colors. Red, blue, pink, yellow. And then let's update the greetings with colors. Greetings dot update colors. And then print out greetings. And then print out the type of greetings. Now let's have a list. Transportation, boat, car, bike. Now let's join these two. Greetings dot update transportation. Print greetings. Print the type of greetings to see whether or not it is a list or a set. Okay. Now let's see how this works. All right. Now let's go through each of these. First off, we have greetings. We add world. So hey, hello, hi, what's up, and world. Now, if we put the statement into the print statement. Now, if we put these into print, it returns none. Okay, it doesn't work that way. Now, we have colors, and we want to append it or update it into greetings. And we have hey, how are you? Red, hello. You see, it is random, right? This has become a set. It is random. So it's not in the order that you've inputted in your code. Now, if we return the type, class equals set, and sets are unordered, okay? Next up, with transportation, we print out greetings after we've updated it with transportation. And as you can see here, hey, how are you? We have car, red, hello, book, bite, hi, and pink, yellow, right? So we've made a change to greetings after we've updated it with colors. We don't have the original set anymore. We've had the new one. And once you append the new one with transportation over here, you have all of these randomized values in aggregate, but you still have the same values. And even though we update a list to a set, it returns a set. All right? Now, that's it for this lesson. I hope that you get to understand a lot of things. Don't forget to tune in to my next lesson. We're going to be looking at removing set items appropriately after we've looked at how to add items. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. See you next time.